Good morning, class. I am here again with you with some more problems based on quadratic equation. Let us take some more questions. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a work. If A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. Then let B takes X days to finish the work. Then time taken by A to finish the work will be X minus 10 days. Saying that both together completes the work in 12 days. Then 1 day's work of A plus B, that will be 1 upon 1 day's work, that is 1 upon time taken to complete the work. 1 day work equal to 1 upon time taken to complete the work. Therefore, we get 1 day's work of A plus B 1 upon 12. Then 1 day's work of A completes the work in X minus 10 days. Then 1 day's work of A will be 1 upon X minus 10. And 1 day's work of B will be 1 upon X. Here we take LCM in right hand side. So we get LCM X into X minus 10. This is our LCM. Then we get X minus 10 and X. This side 1 upon 12 already there. Then X and X added 2X minus 10 upon X multiplied X minus 10, we get X square minus 10X. Then we do cross multiplication. We do this cross multiplication like this. So we get X square minus 10X. This X square minus 10x multiplied by 1, we get x square minus 10x. Then 2x minus 10 multiplied by 12, that is 24x minus 120. All things we bring one side, transposing left hand side everything. Then we get our quadratic equation, that is x square minus 34x plus 120. This is our quadratic equation. Factors we will do simple factorization. We will get x minus 30 and x minus 4. So x minus 30 equal to 0, x will be 30, or x minus 4 equal to 0, then we will get x equal to 4. Now the question says A takes 10 days less than B. That means the value of x, that cannot be less than 10. So this 4 cannot be the answer, because this cannot be less than 10. So this 4 cannot be our answer. So B alone will finish the work in 30 days. Second one, x equal to 30. That will be our required answer. Now we have next question, that is Mukesh sold an article for rupees 39 which costs him rupees X. Cost price of the article is X, selling price is 39. If he finds that he has gained X percent, that is profit is X percent, then find the value of X. So let us see. We know that SP equal to CP plus profit. SP is 39, CP is X, profit is X percent of X, that is our profit. Profit is calculated on CP, that is X percent of X. Then here we take X plus X square upon 100. X percent of X we got, that is X percent of X. X, we can write it like this, X percent means upon 100 of X, that is X percent of X. So that will become X square upon 100. x percent of x will become x square upon 100. So we will get here, taken 100 LCM, 100x plus x square upon 100 equal to 39. Cross multiplication and transpose. So we get x square plus 100x minus 3900. X square plus 100x minus 3900 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we will factorize it. 3900, 130 into 30, 130 minus 30 equal to 100. So plus 130x and minus 30x is the factor. Then we take common x. Here in these two parts we take x common, so we get x plus 130, and here minus 30 taken common, again we get x plus 130. Now 100x plus 130 common, in the next bracket we get x minus 30 equal to 0. Then x plus 130 equal to 0, x equal to minus 130, and x minus 30 equal to 0, x equal to 30. Now see, this is the cost price which cannot be negative, so positive value x equal to 30, this will be our cost price, that is the value of x. Take one more question here. Rupees 480 is divided equally among x children. If the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. Find x. So we can see that for x children, share of one child, each child, 480 rupees dividing among x children. Then share of one child, each child will be 480 upon x. If number of children is x plus 20, then share of each child will be 480 upon x plus 20. So given that if number of children are x plus 20, then each gets 12 rupees less. It means this value is 12 less than this. So 480 upon x minus 480 upon x plus 20 equal to 12. Now here I have taken 480 common. Then LCM will be x into x plus 20. Solving, x divides x into x plus 20, x cancel. First we get x plus 20. Then x plus 20 divides x into x plus 20. So we get only x. So here we write x. This plus x and this minus x both are cancelled. Plus x and minus x cancel. Then here left how much? 480. This we send here right hand side. Then this 20 left here this side upon x into x, x square, and x into 20, 20x. Now we do this cross multiplication. Then x square plus 20x equal to this 20 into 480 will come up and this 12 will go down. So we 12, this divides 480, how much? 12 4s are 40. Here we get 40, and 40 into 20 equal to 800 left. Then we bring this 800 in left hand side, transpose that, we get minus 800. This means we get our quadratic equation x square plus 20x minus 800 equal to 0. So now factorize that quadratic equation. So 800's factor 40 into 20, so we get plus 20. Plus 40 minus 20, we will get here plus 20 as we were required in our quadratic equation. Then take here x common. we get x plus 40, and here we take minus 20 common, we get again here x plus 40. Now we can write it x plus 40 and x minus 20. Then x plus 40 equal to 0, x equal to minus 40. This x is what? Number of children. That cannot be negative. So we will leave this value. Then x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to 20 will be our correct answer